to my YouTube channel. Today's video is unboxing the June Look Fantastic box. Now I receive a beautiful box like this to my door every month. Everything you need to know about Look Fantastic will be throughout this video and down in the description box for you guys as well, so you can go and check them out. You can subscribe to them if you would like to. I will leave everything in the description box below for you guys. If you don't know what Look Fantastic is a subscription service which you receive a box like this every month to your door. This is not a paid sponsorship. I am doing this on my own back. I'm not being paid to say any of this. This is not an ad. This is not a paid sponsorship or whatsoever. I've done this all on my own money. So if you want to see what's inside my June Look Fantastic, then please keep watching. Quickly before I get into opening this box, everything you need to know about Look Fantastic will be in the description box below anyway. I will leave their link and how much and everything else that needs to be down there. But it is like a glossy box. You choose the plan you like. I receive these for £13 a month, and I get a beautiful box like this to my door every month. Again, like glossy box, sorry, they do limited edition boxes as well, and they do the advent calendars at the end of the year. But I absolutely love them. I think I've been subscribed to Look Fantastic now for a good 3 or 4 months, maybe longer. It's been so long I can't remember, but I am literally enjoying every single product in here, and it's nice to test out lovely products as well that you've never used before. So let's get into delving into this box, shall we? So it's exactly the same as glossy box. You open the box up, but instead of a little leaflet you have a little booklet that tells you absolutely everything about the products, how to use them properly and so on. It's a very good read. If you're a very good reader and you love reading, it is a good little reading thing as well. Again, like glossy box, it is wrapped in this beautiful tissue paper and it is filled with few little goodies. So the first thing is this. So this is the SO Eco Gentle Facial Buffer. It's a complete recyclable packaging, and it says gently exfoliate your skin with this natural facial buffer made using natural cotton and flex. So I'll bring it closer for you guys to see. This top is meant to be a shoulder top, like off the shoulder, but it keeps going on the shoulders, so I do apologise, and I do apologise for sunlight as well. It is so strong and it is so hot. I would put the fans on, but where they're so loud I won't be able to hear myself speak, or you guys won't be able to hear me at all. So that's a little buffer. Then I have this. Now I absolutely love this brand. This is the Rituals of Jing, the Path to Inner Peace Relax Mild Body Scrub. Now if you've never heard of Rituals before, I highly recommend you search them on Amazon, eBay or wherever and purchase one, because they are absolutely incredible. I have loads of Rituals products and I'm telling you now, I love them, Nathan loves them. The smell you get off them, oh my god. Oh, see, I've never had this one before. All the ones I've had, it's been like in a white bottle. I've never actually had the green bottles before, because I always thought the white bottles were for women and the green bottles were for men. But smelling at it, it smells incredible. So I think I might have to do a little order on Amazon and search up loads more Rituals, because they are absolutely incredible and I love them so much. It's called the Balance Me Pre and Prosthetic Cleansing Milk. I probably said that wrong. If I have, I do apologise. But this is what it looks like. I think it's just a cleanser. Yeah, reveal calming, cleaner and brighter skin with a signature bioactive prebiotic complex designed to strengthen your skin. So it's a cleansing milk. I obviously love anything to do with like hand cream and stuff like that. It smells quite nice. I've only put a little bit on my hands. I know it's supposed to be a body lotion sort of thing, or it smells like peaches. So let's just rub that into my hands quickly. It smells quite nice actually. It's nothing special. It's nice. It makes my hands nice and smooth anyway. I don't know about bodies or anything, but Balance Me, I have actually had a few products from Balance Me and I actually quite like them, and it does actually smell quite nice as well. But the best hand cream that I've received is either the Body Shop ones or a bubble tea. Oh my god, they are incredible, especially the bubble tea one. Nathan loves that one so much. It's to die for. If you are can't speak now. If you are a bubble tea lover who loves all their products and everything, then try out their hand creams because they are incredible. We love them so much. Look, it's supposed to be an off the shoulder top. I don't want to flash you guys, but that sun is starting to annoy me now. But yeah, it's supposed to be off the shoulder. Oh well, never mind. Next one I have is a SPA, a Natural Beauty Inner Calm 24-hour replenish eye moisturizer. Now I can never have enough eye moisturizers, guys, but as you get older you have to look after your eyes more. Now for this it says a deeply nourishing and hydrating eye cream that supports the skin natural moisturizer barrier. So you just put a few little bits underneath your eyes. I always put it on first before I put my face cream on. I do the eyes, well I try and do them every morning if I can. Obviously with work and everything else it is really hard to do, but I try and do this first and then put my moisturiser on. I like to keep my skin nice and moisturised, especially like days like today where it's nice and hot and you're going to get sun all over it. You don't want to wear makeup, you just want to keep your skin looking nice and fresh, plus getting a tan as well. So I always like to moisturise, plus it really does help underneath your eyes and I love it so much. Last couple of bits I have to show you. This is the Philip Kingsley Styling Finishing Touch Polishing Serum. Now I absolutely love serums. I think this is for your face. That sun is starting to irritate me. I can't wait to finish filming and put the fans on. So let's find out if it is a serum. Yeah, it's a serum for your face. This booklet is a dream, by the way. If you have products that you've never even heard of or never even used before, always look them up in your little booklet because it tells you absolutely everything what you need. It tells you what they are completely. So this is the Fizzing Fighting Serum to condition, protect and help style hair. So it is a serum, but it's a serum for your hair, not your face. Now where I work you have loads of serums anyway, but them kind of serums you use for your face, but this serum you use for your hair. It says it's got vitamin B5, vitamin A and citric acid. Length ends of the towel dried hair, dry and style with required. So this serum is basically for your hair. So I have loads of serums for my hair. Well, not serums, I have 2, I think. This is the 3rd one, and I have hair protection spray from Lee Stafford. Oh my god, that is incredible. The Coco Loco one. Oh my god, it is incredible. Hey guys, the sun is moving, so if you see me going like that, I have to move, but just bear with me. This is the last product anyway. Just bear with me with this. I know I'm gonna have half the sun on my face, but please bear with me. Do you know what I'm gonna do is move the camera over. That's worked a little bit. Anyway, last but not least is this Dr. Lip Tint 100% natural. This is a superfood red radish pigment. So this, because I have absolutely no idea what this is. This could be for your lips, could be for your cheeks, could be for absolutely anything. So this says here, a hydrating tinted lip balm that glides over the lips to develop the moisture as well as to pop the colour. So you put this on your lips, it hydrates it and it gives you a pop of colour, and it also from the lovely description, sorry, the box keeps falling, the lovely description on the front of the little packaging, it says 100% natural superfood red radish pigment. Now, I don't know about you guys, but there is certain lip products that I have that I do love, that do taste like strawberries, coconut and stuff like that, but red radish, I'm not too keen on it. I don't like radishes anyway, so I don't know if I'm going to like this or not. I will give it a go. I will put some on my finger and give it a go. If I don't like it, then it's going to be in a giveaway for you guys or give to family and friends, but I'm not going to literally take it off. I don't actually know if it's got one of those things. Yeah, because it's got one of those lip things where you just squeeze them and then put your lips all over it. I'm going to put some on my finger, then put my finger on my lips, just in case I do give this to anybody. So it's already like hygiene free, and it's obviously, that box is going over there, hygienic free, and it's COVID free as well, so there's no germs or anything. So if I do give it to anyone on a giveaway maybe one day, then it's very hygienic. I'm just going to squirt it on my finger and then put it on my lips, because I honestly don't think, hand on heart, that I'm going to enjoy this, because I don't like red radish. And yeah, like I said, there's only certain lip balms that I do love, but I don't know. Like I said, I'm going to give it a go and see what I think. If not, then it's going to come to you guys. It's the end of my unboxing the Look Fantastic June box. Everything you need to know about Look Fantastic will be in the description box below for you guys. If you have any questions about Look Fantastic, about all their boxes, about their advent calendar, about their limited edition boxes, how to grab your hands on one, is it easy to subscribe, everything you need to know will be in the description box. But please feel free to message me anything you need to know in the comment section below. It is really easy to set up. You can cancel it any time you like. So say like if you get a couple of months boxes and you're not interested anymore, you can cancel any time. They don't charge you for like cancelling and stuff like that. What else can I say before ending this video? Some of the products I absolutely love. Some of them I've never even heard of. I have to read the booklet to find out what they are, what they do, you know, so I do love testing out new things just like everybody else. This is going to conclude today's video. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. If you've liked it so much and want to subscribe, then feel free. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload, so you do not miss any uploads, guys. I'm trying to make sure that I have regular uploads for you guys as well, trying to keep a busy lifestyle, even though I'm working 9 till 5, and then weekends I'm still working because I'm still making content for you guys. So my life is never ending and never stopping, but I'm enjoying every single step of the way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.